One speaker or two? With the Stromberg Megatwin, you don't have to choose. This art piece is all about power, flexibility, and immersive stereo sound. The Megatwin is no ordinary speaker. Its unique snap-together design lets you use it as one powerful unit or separated into two for a true stereo experience. Whether you need a compact setup or immersive room-filling sound, it adapts to you. Designed in collaboration with August, it's inspired by organic shapes and textures, making it as much of a piece of art as it is a speaker. Its bold design stands out, whether you're at home or on the go. With 20 watts RMS and dual 3-inch drivers, the Megatwin delivers deep bass and crisp highs for a rich, immersive sound. Plus, its 11-hour battery life means you can keep the music going all day long. Thanks to its IPX4 splash-proof rating, the Megatwin is ready for outdoor adventures, poolside hangs, or any unpredictable weather. Just grab it and go. Connecting is easy with Bluetooth or a 3.5mm aux input. It also has audio rhythmic lights, so it creates the perfect vibe for any occasion. Whether you want deep stereo sound or a bold all-in-one speaker, the Stromberg Megatwin will adapt to any situation. Power, style, and versatility, all in one special edition.
Stromberg, the sound of people.